ProChondrix Cartilage Restoration Matrix from Allosource is a three-dimensional laser-etched cellular allograft with living chondrocytes that aids in the natural regeneration of hyaline cartilage tissue. ProChondrix is implanted into a debrided chondral defect and can be coupled with microfracture. The graft is secured with fibrin glue and additional fixation if preferred. Upon implantation, the three-dimensional extracellular matrix provides structural support for cellular migration and adhesion. Inherent growth factors facilitate chondrocyte functionality. Viable chondrocytes present in the matrix can generate extracellular matrix proteins that help promote chondrogenesis by signaling the host cells to differentiate into chondrocytes, forming a healthy hyaline cartilage layer.